Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other content and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget you can shop my cuticle oils and butters on my website, and that is lovedbyverdie.com. So today's video, I am doing a few swatches of some Glitterbels acrylic, and then I will be doing a design later in the video. These Glitterbel acrylics were purchased from the Nail Throne. You can get them from Blue Street Crystals, and I think you can get them from Glitterbel's website as well. The Nail Throne is in Canada, however, the shipping was pretty fast. I got everything within a week after ordering, so the shipping was pretty fast and it wasn't too expensive. But I have used a couple of their acrylics before and a couple of their chunky glitter acrylics before, and I really like them, and I really like their price point. And these are all 1 ounce jars, so their price point is pretty good, so check them out. The first color that I swatched was Teal Twinkle. This color is Mermaid Tears, and I thought this would be more on the teal side, but it's more of a like dusty slate bluish color. So I was a little disappointed with this color once I got it home, but I'll either give it away or I don't know, I'll find some use for it. So the third color that I'm doing is a really pretty chunky glitter. I just totally bypassed the mermaid tears. So the third color that I'm doing is a chunky glitter, and I love this glitter. It is called Alicia. I love this glitter acrylic, and it is called Alicia. And then once I swatched it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to build a design around this glitter acrylic. So it's purple and it's got its teals in there. So two of my favorite colors in one. So this is the color that I'm going to actually be basing my design around. And it looks like there's a little bit of blue in there as well. So teals, a little bit of blue, and then some purple. This color is Buttercup. It is kind of like I guess a canary yellow. It has a shimmer to it. Also a really pretty color. I don't really know if yellow is for fall, but lately I've just been wanting yellow. So I'm going to do a couple of designs with this acrylic, probably on myself. And I did just swatch a really pretty yellow from Beetles. So I think they're pretty similar in color. So I'm going to see if there's something that I can come up with using either this acrylic or that gel polish. And the last one that I'm swatching is I'm Blushing. Excuse me, is I'm Blushing, and it's like I don't really quite know how to describe this color, but it's not like a bright color. I think it's another color that's good for fall. So you guys, I'm really trying to get my fall colors, which I generally don't really care about, but I'm really trying this year to kind of go with the seasons a little bit more. But I'm still going to be wearing whatever I want, but you might get a little bit more fall designs from me this upcoming season. So those are the colors that I swatched, and again, I'm going to go with the Alicia and do a design with Alicia. So I'm just going to swatch out some colors, see kind of what I have and what goes with it. And this is a good way to kind of figure out your design. Just get a paper towel and some monomer and your acrylic, and then just swatch the colors, see what goes. I picked these two colors from Young Nails. From Not Polish. They're very similar, but I figured it was okay. This purple is Mambasita by Not Polish. I'm not going to use that. But back to those two like teal colors, I thought I could do a really cute fade with both of those colors, but when I got into the design, I realized they were a little bit too similar. But one is actually a glow in the dark, but that really doesn't matter because I really wasn't trying to do a glow in the dark design. I just wanted those two colors. That brown in the top left corner, that is Cover Earth by Young Nails. I'm not going to use that. And then the second pink nude I did was by Mia's Secret. I think that was like Blushing Rose or something like that. I'm not going to use that either. So at the end of the video, I will go through all of the colors I use, but I just wanted to say what I didn't use because I know someone's going to ask me. So there, for everything I did not use, but I swatched, those are the colors. And I don't know why I keep calling Not Polished Young Nails, but you guys know what I mean. So I don't feel like building out a nail on my flexi hand. I'm not about to do my nails, so I'm just gonna use my nail stand and these tips that you guys have seen me use them before. Both the nail stand and the nail tips are in my Amazon storefront under practice. And I really like these tips because they kind of give you a chance to just to play with designs and not have to worry about shaping of the nail or anything like that. So that's really, I use these for swatching. I use these in my swatch videos too. So they're good for swatch videos and they're also good for just playing with your designs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I didn't really have what I wanted to do in mind, but because I always do a marble nail, I was like, don't do a marble nail. So I'm pleased with myself. I didn't do a marble nail. I do really like this acrylic. I'm rambling, guys, just bear with me. I like this acrylic because it's very chunky, but you are still able to apply a very thin layer, yet you get a good coverage. I did do a lot of the use of this acrylic, this glitter acrylic, on top of a color, but you'll see, I believe it's the next nail I do. I didn't put it on top of anything and I still got a good amount of coverage with it. So I really just like how this is a chunky glitter, but it doesn't bulk up your nail. And that's important because with chunky glitters, you're doing your encapsulation and you don't want a thick, well, some people like thick nails, but if you don't want that thick nail, you don't have to have it because the glitter to powder ratio is really good, especially with a chunky glitter. So I'm just gonna go in and just do a little design. I did upload a video that's a little bit different. It was, I guess, AMSR. I did a poll asking who would want to see me remove gel polish, because when I'm editing and I'm removing gel polish, that's actually really relaxing to me. So a lot of you guys did say yes. So I uploaded that video and I just talked on the intro and then I just let you guys hear my e-file and my dust collector. And then after I'm like cleaning out the, I'm cleaning the dust collector, the filter, and I'm like banging it against the garbage can. And I left all of that in. So I don't know. I hope you guys watch the video and don't think it's like, okay, she's not doing nail videos, she's just gonna do this. I will do those type of videos from time to time, but usually when I do that, it'll be right after I just uploaded, or I'll upload and I'll give you another video within a day, so you're not just like, what is this? But if you enjoyed it, like, good. I enjoyed it, and I actually watched it back a few times, so don't judge me. But so this is the nail that I did not do. Was this the nail I did not do? Yes, this is the, I'm sorry, I was rambling. I wasn't even looking at what I was doing on the screen. This is the nail that I didn't put anything underneath, and I wanted the tip to be clear, so you still get a really good coverage on the nail even if you don't put anything underneath it. So that's what I really liked about that glitter polish. And on this nail, this is where I use those two similar colors, and it's the difference in color once it dries is ever so slight that I could have just used the same color. Before it dries, you can kind of see the difference in color, but once it dries, it's literally the same color. So I wouldn't say it was a waste of time because now I know, but it wasn't necessary. And then I went in with the Cover Rosebud by Young Nails because I wanted to do an ombre nail, but I really wasn't liking how it was blending in with that teal color. So what I did was I just covered it with glitter and then just repeated the same thing with the next nail just so it could kind of look a little cohesive. So the next nail I did purple and then the rosebud and then just covered the rosebud up with glitter. But I probably could have just did the glitter fade without the cover on both nails. As you can see, on the first nail I did with nothing underneath it. So I'm gonna let you guys finish watching the rest of my application. I'm almost done. I did encapsulate these nails. I did that off camera and I will be back in a couple seconds. Okay, so these are the nails after I encapsulated them in clear, and I was still able to get pretty thin coverage, so I don't have too much to file. These nails are not bulky. Obviously, if you were doing this on yourself, you would make sure that you would have built in the strength of the nail at apex and all that. So I did all my filing off camera, and I'm just going in with a top coat, and this top coat is from Not Polished. This is called Gloss It, and it's a non-white top coat. So we're just going to top coat the nails and then cure them for 2 minutes, and that's it. A pretty simple design. I really wanted to feature that glitter, and I'm actually thinking that maybe I can do this on myself. Right now I don't really know what I'm doing with my nails. I was just going to overlay over my natural nails, but then I cut them and I put on tips, and now I have shorties. And this is just a dip powder. This is from First Nude by Not Polish, and I did this with dip liquids. And yeah, nothing too special. Yeah, I'll do my nails at some point. I don't really know what I'm doing. So this is everything all cured, and I really like how those came out. So what I used for this video was Young Nails Core Clear. I used Cover Rosebud, and I also used their monomer. I used the monomer for the swatching as well. And for the purple, that's a dip powder I got off AliExpress. It's by Nicole Diary. That color is Indie X14. And the color that I used from Glitterbels, the glitter was color Alicia. And that's by Glitterbels, and I got that from the Nail Throne. And the other colors that I used was Not Polished, and that was in Sweet Tooth and Luminous Ladies. So Luminous Ladies is a glow in the dark, and I do have a discount code for Not Polished down below. And I also used their top coat. So here are the finished nails. I really like how these turned out, and I'm kind of considering doing this set on myself if I do decide to do my nails. I'm not quite sure, but I think it's really pretty. Like I said, I wanted to focus the glitter, and I was able to focus the glitter but not have it be overwhelming. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and again, make sure you leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you again soon for another video.